Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to go down and check on the little house in Mansfield and see how things are moving along over there. It's been about a week since I was down there. If you recall, if you've been keeping up with the series here, we hired a general contractor. They got started on the job and they had to take a couple of days off to go finish another job elsewhere. But now they've come back to our job and have committed to staying on the job until it gets done. So hopefully we'll see some real progress down here today, and I'm excited to go check it out. I'm Tony. This is Run the Cops. Here we go. All right, just got here to the little house in Mansfield, and lots of good things are happening here. We got a crew of guys over here working, and things are going on, doing some sheetrock and some tape and bed right now. We got the pile of trash that was out in the front yard is gone now. That's a good thing. We don't want to attract any unwanted attention. So Aaron's here with me today, So, Aaron, why don't you take me around and show me what you guys have been doing this week?
Okay.
I'd like to go check it out and see what's been happening. I mean, I took a little walk around. Things are looking pretty good. It's shaping up, and I'm getting excited, man. I want to get this thing done. I really want to get this thing done.
So we're prepping the outside for paint. We got that little issue we talked about earlier. We're going to remove that front piece, push it
by the
back,
front door, yeah.
push it in to make it somewhat as square as possible. Prepping everything, getting it caulked, ready for paint for the outside. And then the inside, we're just trying to square up some walls. Got the windows fixed where they're not 6 to 8 inches out of the drywall.
Yeah, that looks really good.
And then we got this.
Oh, this is so awesome. Atmos has been here, and they got rid of their standpipe, their riser. Nice. Okay.
Got your washing machine, got your 220, your 110.
All right.
Got your water heater where we can raise it.
Yeah, elevate the water heater.
Raise your lines up.
Yeah, that'll be good.
And then this will be ready to go. Took care of the mold issue in this room.
Oh, yeah, that ceiling is clean. It doesn't smell as bad in here anymore.
Right. The smell's definitely going away. You still will have it because you can see like there's still a little mold at the bottom here.
Yeah. I think you guys can get some bleach on that.
Yeah, we'll bleach it and then put some kills on there before we paint the inside.
Cool.
And then you have this one is taken care of. This is cut out, patched.
Oh yeah, that had a big bunch of organic growth going on up there. It's good to see that gone. All right. Got all that organic growth remediated.
Right. So again, we'll run the water, move the drain over, put your shower here, toilet here, vanity here, get rid of this stuff. Fixed all these cracks from the foundation issue.
Yeah, that's a big one right there. Look at that big ugly crack from the foundation. Stress crack.
And then again, this bathroom, I don't think we had any real issues in this room as far as discoloration or mold or anything. Just a couple cracks where the foundation was, and then we have
stuff patched up.
Gonna have to move these lines, bring this wall back in, move these lines here so you can have your shower head here.
Okay.
I think your drain's gonna be pretty close. We might have to move it a little bit, but nothing like we're gonna have to move the other one. Toilet here, vanity here.
Pretty simple, huh? I mean, it sounds pretty simple, but is it really? All right, so you were telling me something about
this wall is completely unsquare, so we're gonna have to move this to square it off, especially since it's a shower. You don't want it to be off.
Yeah.
So, but the problem is almost every single wall we've touched so far has been, especially on this side of the house where they did the add-on, the do-it-yourself add-on.
Yes.
They didn't.
It's definitely. I mean, you can still see the siding right here.
Yeah, you can see it here, and also right here, there's more siding from inside. So definitely the house stopped at this point at one time.
Kind of crazy, huh?
This probably wasn't a permitted add-on for sure.
Yeah, I don't.
You can tell, like, and hopefully, paint and you can see how the ceiling's higher here and comes down.
Yeah.
So,
well, it'll have some little imperfections when we get done, but in the end, it's going to be a entry-level kind of property.
right.
It'll be an affordable house that somebody is going to be happy to get into, especially with this location. So, anything going on here on the outside? How about a little stoop or a step or something like that for this exterior door? We could do something like that pretty easy, huh?
Yeah, I'll frame it out and just put some treated wood on there.
All right. That sounds good.
And then you have a light over here. We're not sure if it works or not, but
yeah, the last guys that worked on this, they asked me if I wanted to remove it, and I said just leave it there, because I really didn't know if it worked or not at the time, but I guess we could test it. If it works, leave it. If it doesn't, then let's just cut it off and get it out of there.
okay.
Oh, it is so hot out there today. Middle of August, late August, whatever it is, it's super hot. Anyway, pretty exciting. Starting to get some things going on in there, and next week should be looking even better. Might even have some exterior paint next week. We'll find out. So tune in again next time. A short visit today. See you then. I'm Tony. This is Run the Cox. Now.